Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this smart band. To force restart this smart band, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it for about 12 to 15 seconds. And once you hold it for the 12 to 15 seconds, you can release it and wait. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. Once the screen turns off, keep holding it for a couple more seconds, and then you can release the button and wait. And as you can see, the HUAWEI logo appeared on the screen. Now we need to wait until the smart band is done rebooting or booting into a system. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.